Hello YouTube, back at it again. Work in progress. There she is. After I fixed her up a little bit, now she is going to get cleaned. Vacuumed at least. I did one side already. And now we're gonna do the other side. Yeah, the seats are not in the best of shape. Steering wheel needs to be cleaned. My camera needs to be cleaned. My trusty 22, yeah, that needs to be addressed. That's pretty good, Nick. Okay guys, under the hood. Again, after everything was fine, she's running so nice now, and I'm not even trotting her, but we had a backfire again. Look at this. Some things going on. Need some doing some cleaning under the hood. Fill her up with some coolant and clean that. Take out that. Take out the wipers. Knipperlichten. I want to take that out also. That's the new cable, that's why she was running so rough. Now she runs a hell of a lot better. Yeah, and as it stands, so what should I address first? Yeah, the rims of course, and the hood of course. Look at this. Look at that. That's not so nice. She got a lot of imperfections. I got it pretty clean. Oh, almost forgot my cloth. Monster. And also this side. The hood is terrible. Yeah, it really is. Needs a paint job. Polish. Buffing. In black line. I need Teune Spits for that. Magnificent. Well guys, there was a little update. Please like and subscribe, and I'm gonna figure out what I'm gonna do next. See you in the next round. Thank you very much for watching.